description.
Alright, hey! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got another one that came from good old James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is from India. Maggi Spicy Garlic. This is a 4-pack. And they're put in here loose with 4 sachets that are joined together. And invariably when you get these, they are A, expired, and B, they are usually munched up pretty darn good. So luckily this one did well. So we end up with, here's our 4 sachets. And I cut that at the wrong spot, and I hope I didn't get any of that in my eyes. And then we've got our noodle blocks, and this one looks to be the most complete, so we're going to drop that in there. Oh, that really sucked. Yeah. I'm alright. I am alright. And we put that in there. Set the timer for 2 minutes as I fix the situation here. Give it a stir first. It's funny, I saw on the thing it said, I thought it said drain the extra water that, or broth that might be with it. And then I looked at it again. And it said, do not drain, which I thought was kind of interesting. It's like, if you didn't say to drain, why would anybody, it kind of gave me the thought, maybe I should drain it. But But yeah, today's an interesting day. It's cloudy. I'm trying out the new camera. If you're watching this and seeing the post that is in line with it, it's probably 2026 for you. It's July 25th, 2025 for me. That's how far ahead I am. So once this is done doing this action, then we hold for 1 minute after we take it off of the stove. That's alright. Yeah. Yeah, this is all powder that came out. I got a whole bunch to clean. It's end of week, it's Friday, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the holy slicer over there where I slice my green onions. That stuff's kind of messy, and 1 minute. So let's hold for a minute. And yeah, I will stir as we hold. Ow. Wow. It's plenty hot. Did I get it all over my glasses? Wow, it got inside my glasses. You might wonder, why does he wear sunglasses? I'm legally blind, I'm light sensitive, so now you know if you were wondering. Why does that guy always wear sunglasses? He thinks he's cool or something. It's like, no, I really wish I didn't need to wear sunglasses. Or glasses at all. But what do you do? Alright, so now we got this spicy garlic noodle. And I'm going to verify one more time. It says right here, do not drain remaining water. Hold for 1 minute after the cooking. Serve hot. So it's done. It's definitely done. There is a decent amount of sauce, gravy, whatever you want to call it. If you don't want that, walk away for 5 minutes. That'll be sucked up. So this is our spicy garlic noodle. I'm expecting it's going to be spicy, garlicky. I hope so. Spicy, garlicky. That's good. I like that one. There's some that I've liked from India, some that I really have not. This would go into the bucket of, yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. Let's get beautiful. Okay, there's that. We've got a bunch of scallion. I definitely need to use some of this. Crushed red pepper, I'd say okay too. I'm going to use some of the basil on this. And I'm going to use some seeds. And I think we're good. Yeah, this is a tasty one. I like this. Rotato, do your thing. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing next. I'm hoping this weekend to find some more noodles, more different stuff. So, we shall see. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.